Okay, we have a glass Schindler HT here. 520 Franklin. Dude! That's an arrow spot of a Gentex. Also, by the way, this is meant to be a restroom. This is an old elevator shaft. Wow, that's interesting. Okay. Island maintains. Sounds like an Otis fan. I'm very much interested in this system. Schindler HT, typical. Alright, here we go. Nice view. Anything interesting?
Just a single.
It's falling off. It's one of my favorite Schindler HTs I've seen. I don't know about that color. But yeah, that's interesting that the original elevator shafts right over there are old elevator shafts.